Welcome to our channel, Casa Equilíbrio. Today, I'm here to guide you to this meditation, to calm your mind, to start your day feeling connect with yourself, with your inner peace, with the nature and with the world. So, let's start by sitting in a comfortable position, with your shoulders firm but relaxed and your eyes closed. Try to relax your body more and more. Take deep breaths and exhales strictly through your nose. Do a few cycles, feeling the air entering and leaving your lungs completely. Inhale and exhale. Now, bring your attention to the soles of your feet. This exercise will be done as I name the parts of your body, and you will pay full attention to them, imagining, visualizing, and feeling that each time I mention them is as if a light comes on that specific area. Now, visualize that from the base of your spine, in your base chakra, roots begin to form, and with each cycle in which you exhale, these roots become more visible and stronger, penetrating the earth's surface. Your body is almost still, like the trunk of a tree, and the act of breathing is the only movement, gentle, similar to the movement of the branch and leaves of a tree as the wind gently touches it. You breathe in and out deeply, and the roots seek space in the earth, going deeper and deeper, coming to contact with all the organic elements present there. And they go deeper and deeper until they reach the core of the earth, of Gaia. You then connect with the force of creation, with this energy of fertility of our Mother Earth. You feel your roots capturing this energy and consequently nourishing and carrying this energy to your body. With each new breath is as if they were watering yourself with this primordial intelligence, from where all beings came and from where all will return. This wisdom of a birth and death, of creation and destruction, of knowing how to deal with the cycles of life and with all the inevitable situations that we face day after day. All of this is now strengthened even more within your being. And now, reaching the base of your body, it goes up, passing through your first base chakra, Muladhara. Continues up through your sacral chakra, Svadhisthana, through your solar plexus chakra, Manipura, up to your heart chakra, Anahata, through the throat chakra, Vishuddha, through the frontal chakra, Ajna, until finally reach your crown chakra, Sahasrara. There, this energy continues to rise and rise, now in the form of a brilliant light, and this light rises until it reaches the sky and space. And like a brilliant and splendid beam, it joins our king star, the source of all life on earth, the sun, Surya. Now, the energy of the sun illuminates your entire being. It descends again until it reaches your crown chakra and illuminates your thoughts, your brain, and all the internal organs of your body. You feel a pleasant sensation that warms your soul, like a warm embrace from a mother, and it allows everything that needs to be healed with this light, from emotions, thoughts, to even physical mental illness. You are now reminded that we are always directly connected to the celestial, divine energy. It is present within us and with every living being on this planet. A feeling of peace fills your chest, and you now have the opportunity to thank the universe for your life, for this connection, for this love you feel. Be thankful for the miracle of being alive, for all the blessings you have received so far, and for all the blessings that are yet to come. Do 3 more deep breathing cycles. Slowly returning your attention to your physical body again, to the place where you are. Still with your eyes closed, listen to the sounds around you, the smells, and slowly open your eyes, noticing everything around you and feeling the peace and love that overflows within you. If you are somewhere with nature inside, just observe a plant, a tree, the sky, the sea for the next few moments, and take the peace that you felt in this guided meditation with you, so that it may guide you on this wonderful day that lies ahead. Namaste.